Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is your girl E checking in. In today's video, you guys, I am going to show you how I prepare my turkey for Christmas. Okay, why do I always say okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm just showing you guys how I prepare my turkey. So if you are new here, be sure to subscribe, to comment, and like and share. Be a part of the E-Babes. Alright, okay. So yeah, without further ado, continue watching, okay? And let me know if you guys gonna use this recipe. Alright y'all, so right now I have the turkey, the butter ball, okay? And the sink. We're gonna take the net, we're gonna take the bags, the turkey out of the bag, and this bad boy is 23 pounds, I believe. Yeah, it's 23 pounds point something, y'all. So far this is all the stuff, all my ingredients, okay? Everything that I will be using to make the seasoning is right here. Take a screenshot, you guys. I have sea salt, I have the Maggi cube, I have lime, black pepper, jalapeno, green onion, garlic powder, the sazon powder. Every single thing is here, you guys, which you're gonna see throughout the video. So right now I have this bad boy in the sink soaking, and we're gonna give this bad boy a bath. Okay, we're gonna bathe that thing thoroughly, okay, you guys. It still has some ice in it, so we're just gonna kind of clean it, let the water pour till all the ice is out. And I defrost it in the fridge overnight, you guys. But yeah, so what we're doing, we're just letting the water soak in, make sure there is no ice. This turkey fully you guys know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, you guys, so that's what your girl is doing. After that, which you're gonna see the next process, that's me trying to flip it. And that's a heavy turkey, let me tell you that. This bad boy is heavy. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to show you guys again all the stuff I will be using, and I will be adding what do you call it, the orange, bitter orange, you guys. Right now I believe I kind of skipped, I'm so sorry you guys, I kind of skipped the process. Right now I am adding the bitter orange, salt, okay, and the lime, and which I had already did, you guys, and I didn't show you guys the process of me doing it. I have salt, I have the vinegar, I have the limes, I have the bitter orange, all right here, and I let it sit for I don't know how long, but I let it sit for a while, you guys. That way all the bitter, all the sourness could go into the turkey. That way it doesn't have that smell. You know how sometimes when you cook, I don't know, but right now I have a pot and I have some water I'm gonna put on the stove then to boil. Then this is what we steam our turkey with. You gotta pour it all over the turkey, you guys, all inside the turkey. And to tell you the truth, this turkey smells so good without me adding any seasoning, any salt, nothing. It smells so good, like for real. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. It smells so good, you guys. And this is the seasoning. As you can see, I have jalapeno pepper. What you guys didn't see is the scotch bonnet and the bell pepper, the green and the red. I add that also as well in the seasoning. And I add a little bit of salt, you guys, and everything you had see on the side, which I show you guys in the beginning throughout the video, that's what I use, you guys. And if you guys want to know specific exactly what I use, how many amount or whatever, just comment down below. That's how we're gonna do it. Comment down below and ask me whatever question you have. So that's me trying to drain the turkey, make sure there's no water, no excess water inside, and just trying to let it stand, you know, flip it over, do whatever you gotta do before you start seasoning your turkey. Okay, so that's the water. That's what I be careful though with that step because it's pretty hot, you guys. Just be careful when you're doing that step. Okay, so continue watching, y'all, and I'll be back with the next process. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna keep saying it throughout the video, you guys. And let me know what else you want to see, and stay tuned for the Christmas video to see what my baby got for Christmas. And yeah, just continue watching. Alright, babe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I did blend my seasoning. So what I'm going to do next is marinate the turkey, add salt, pepper, whatever you like to use, babes. Okay, it doesn't have to be, like I always say, it doesn't have to be what I use. So far this is what the turkey looks like. I blend the season just like so, and I'm gonna put a glove on, you guys, just to be safe because it is very spicy, and you know. So what I'm doing is kind of like bathing the turkey, that big boy, with the seasoning, you guys, that I made. So as you can see, everything looks so good, and it smells so good in this house, you guys. And the turkey's not even cooked. And I forgot to tell you guys that make sure you take out the bags that come in your turkey, the neck, everything that was inside the turkey, the liver. I did all that process in the beginning, which I didn't show you guys. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, this is the turkey. This is how the turkey looks like. It looks so nice, so good. Like, this turkey look like it's ready to eat, okay? Even though it's not. So what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna finish marinate that bad boy, let it soak in, add your favorite seasoning, salt, garlic, pepper, all kind of stuff you like to eat, you like in your food. And then in the back, if you can see that white bowl with the liver, the neck, the whatever that comes in the bag, you guys. So that's it on the side. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, you guys. And a big giveaway coming soon, you guys. And I have a huge surprise coming for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put God first. Always put God first, y'all. I can't even talk tonight. But yeah, deuces. Bye. Mwah.